Mga kapuso at kapamilya, nandito na sila, palakpakan natin, Michael Ken Welcome to the outside world. Welcome back to the outside world, Michael Emilio. You boys make us so proud. Sa inyong stay sa bahay ni Kuya, ano yung sa tingin niyo pinaka-importanting aral na babaunin niyo dito sa outside?
Thank you again for that question. I think ang pinaka-importanting aral na nakuha ko dito sa bahay ni Kuya ay maging mabuting tao. Yun talaga ating younger. Just be good and it will all come back to you one way or another. Kabusin yung lahat. I love you guys. I love you all so much. The biggest lesson I learned from this house is to just spread love, stay positive. You never know what will happen. And cherish the people around you and be thankful for them. Maraming salamat, Kuya, to everybody here.
I hope this shows you boys how loved you are. Maraming salamat for sharing your life dito sa Pinoy Big Brothers. Oh my God!
We love you, Michael. Let's go, Mami. Let's go, Mami. Pango mahangat sumusuporta sa inyong dalawa.
Pilipinas at Team Online, sama-sama na kayong 1PPT sa nag-iisang teleserye ng totoong buhay ng mga sikat.